It's always fun to drive around downtown. You never know what you're going to see.
You got a dash cam too?
Yep, right up here. It only shows your mask. It doesn't.
Yeah, but what I mean by dash cam is like over there.
Yeah, it's got the all three views, so it's got.
So it shows all three.
Yeah,
all three sides.
Inside, outside, and through the back window as well.
Oh, that's cool.
So I can get all three views in there if I want.
Nice.
And then my microphone's up here. It's a great place for that too, because the ceiling it acts as a sound absorber.
Yeah, it's an insulator almost.
Insulator, yeah. Okay, continue straight here, and you'll see a ramp to go up. You'll see that ramp here. We're gonna make a right turn. So,
These guys.
Yeah, where these guys are going.
Turning into the Y almost.
Almost. We're gonna go up there though. So complete stop before the sidewalk. 1, 2, and off we go. Then we're going to turn right at the stop sign up there.
Right?
Yeah, right turn.
All right. Right is all right with me.
So we got a pedestrian on the left. That's why we don't block the crosswalks.
Yep.
Sidewalks. And a little bit of a challenging intersection. View-wise, anyway. Looks good. Go for it. Okay, we're gonna go that way.
Why, do some people actually turn into there?
They can. Yeah.
They can?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, they can.
Well, I mean, yeah, they can, but it's like line, so it's hard.
It's a sharp right.
It's very sharp.
So we're gonna turn right here on Larch Street. First thing I want you to notice when we turn the corner here.
This one?
Yep, right here. Okay, we'll have to make a left lane change. Signal left, mirror over the shoulder. Right on. So the first thing I want you to notice is the color of the line dividing the two lanes on a one-way. It's white. If it was a two-way, it would be yellow. Cancel your signal. One. We have to wait until they attain the curb. And then they go. They got here first, so they get to go first.
Yep.
All right. And then also notice the way the cars are all parked on each side of the road. They're all facing the same direction that you're going in.
Searching for greatness in a